In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Alison App Keeps Stopping error on your smartphone. If you are experiencing this while trying to open your app, or even when you're not opening your app, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So most likely you are experiencing this error because your app might have experienced a glitch. To fix this, go to settings, and from settings scroll down to apps. Under apps, look for this option, manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Alison, and you can see mine is already here. Now from here, troubleshoot your app by stopping it, and then go to clear data and clear cache. Okay, and finally clear all data. Now restart your smartphone, and if you open your Alison app, now everything should be up and running without any issue. But should you still see the same error even after doing this, then check and see if you have any VPN app on your smartphone, or if you installed any security app lately. You might want to turn them off or uninstall them temporarily to see if this fixes the issue. In most cases, this should work. However, if this does not work, then most likely you are using an outdated version of Alison app. For that, go to Google Play Store or App Store and search for your app. So I'll search for Alison. And then if you tap on it, check if you have an update your app to the latest version. Sometimes even after updating, this might still not work. If that's the case, then you'll need to uninstall your app, as this will fix any bugs that might be associated with your app that is most likely causing this issue. After doing this, install your app afresh to fix this issue. So that's how you can fix Alison Keeps Stopping error on your smartphone. If you have any other question, please let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.